Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today we're going to see how we can install Metasploitable framework on our virtual machine. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like my video and share it with your friends. Now let's get into it. First of all, go to your Google and type in Metasploitable download. Then I would like you to come and click on the link and the information rapid. It will bring you up to this page. Now initially I had some fill out to do before you actually get to download the Metasploitable, but they didn't bring it up right now. So after you fill up some required information, you'll be prompted with this page. Then you have to click download Metasploitable now in order to start your download. As for me, I had already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. So the file we download in zip folder. I want you guys to extract the file. After extracting the file, this is what you get. Then you go to your VirtualBox, create, click on new. On the name, I want you to type Metasploitable. On the type, select Linux. This is because Metasploitable runs under Linux distribution. Based on your computer, it could be either 32-bit or 64-bit. For mine is 64-bit, so I'll select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. The base memory, I want you to set it at least 2 GBs. Then the processor, add it to 2 units. Click on next. For the disk size, you can choose whichever size you want according to your hard drive space. For me, I chose 20 gigabytes. Then you click on next. Now the specs allocated are all shown. You can finish to create the new boot up machine. Up to there, we're not yet done. Need to add up some more settings. Click on settings. Leave everything else on default. Go to the system. Check if everything else is according to how you want it to be. On the display, leave everything on default. Then you proceed to the storage. Select the controller IDE. Then on the lower side, click on hard disk, the drop down menu. Then I want you to come and click on add. Then remember the file which you downloaded, the Metasploit, this one. Open it and select the file. Click on choose. And that's it. Now we'll proceed to network. The network type, I want you guys to select bridge adapter so that the machine could use the Wi-Fi that we've connected to. And like that, we're done with the settings. Click on OK. Now let's boot up the machine. Click on start. This may take a while, so I need you guys to be patient. And here's the machine, our Metasploitable machine booting up. So default username and login password are MSF admin. So I need you to type in those two as the username and password. And with that, you'd have logged into your Metasploit framework. If you like the video, I would like your support, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe and share. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.